Hello dear traders and welcome to another update. For today I will cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, about the Bitcoin versus US dollar, and about the dollar index. So I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So what I found basically on this currency pair is that market is breaking the inside day formation and it's breaking this consolidation that we had from the last few days, and we have a downtrend day so far, which is basically having and bringing more downside power towards the end of the day. So my expectation here is that Euro can revisit 1.1235, which is basically the low of this big up bar. If you check this big up bar, you'll find out that there is it's a big range of the bar, and now we're trying to go towards the low of that bar. That will be my first objective for today on the downside. In case of the stronger downside break of this level, this can open the door for even further lower price and even drop towards the 1.1200 area and 1.1185 area. But for now, the first level to watch 1.1235, and second area to watch area around 1.1200 level. So watch for selling opportunities on the rallies using the intraday charts on the Euro versus US dollar. Again, trend is absolutely to the downside. You see the 20-day average is just going downside, and we got basically test and reject from this 20-day average line. Speaking of the gold market, gold is basically building contraction here, and we can basically find out there is a big basing process here going on. So there is no specific direction so far here. And I would like to watch for a breakout mode on this one. So there is, the market is very noisy in this area here. Market is very quiet today. So we really need to get away from this contraction, either to take the pin bar highs around 1808, 1815 and really go upside there, or basically start with a downside process. I can also go and lower down this to like 4-hour time frame, just to show you from this perspective. And basically you see that there is also based on the 4-hour time frame, we're building this contraction, a smaller round contraction. So can we go and do another upside swing, eventually test the pin bar high, so we take the low and attack 1762? We will find out, but watch for a breakout of this contraction, and overall watch for a breakout of this bigger contraction on the gold. Speaking about Bitcoin, we got a big climax that happened a few days ago. Market closed in the middle, and there is basically market spent a few days below this Bollinger Band, so below this 2 standard deviation here. On the extreme now, price is trying to back. I see there is a potential for the rally, but probably the resistance, we have the big resistance around 53,300, and then this mean around, so far this mean is setting at 55,000 zone. This is a 20-day average here. So we got a climax, market is trying to rally, so probably, we went from extreme reversion to the mean is possible in the Bitcoin. We got already building the higher high, so watch for there's an upside reaction reversion to the mean towards the 53,000 and 55,000 zone. So that can be one option on the Bitcoin to reverse the mean type of the swing play there. And finally, to go through dollar index. Dollar index is really looking positive in the next. So this is the US dollar index. Just go remove drawings here. We start to establish, look at how well we're establishing this higher low, series of the higher lows. And we also had a contraction. So we'll find that we got a contraction here. We got a breaking out. We're breaking out this. We're trying to break this also inside day. And it's building the higher lows in that way on the rising 20 moving average on the daily. So I really expect this to revisit the highs at probably around 96.65 and area around 96.90. So watch for this upside cycle, another upside cycle on the dollar index. And that'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe and take care, guys. So see you all tomorrow morning.